What does the future hold for Zimbabwe as it heads into fresh elections? The answer to that question is as complex and multi-layered as the country's tumultuous political history. As we delve into the key developments and controversies leading up to these crucial polls, we'll see that the stakes are incredibly high for the Southern African nation. Firstly, the political landscape of Zimbabwe has been dominated by two main figures, President Emmerson Mnangagwa and Nelson Chamisa, leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC. Chamisa, known for his grassroots support and ambitious promises, aims to oust the ruling ZANU-PF party after years of economic stagnation and unfulfilled campaign pledges under Mnangagwa's leadership. Chamisa's message of change resonates with many Zimbabweans disillusioned with the current government's corruption and mismanagement. Recent polls showed Chamisa leading in popularity, with promises to address governance issues, create jobs, and improve the economy. The CCC released a detailed manifesto outlining its vision for Zimbabwe's future, contrasting with ZANU-PF's decision not to publish a manifesto. However, Chamisa's leadership has not been without controversy. He drew criticism for his alleged cult of personality politics, and some accused him of losing control of the party. The CCC faced internal divisions and challenges, including recalls of MPs and councillors, ultimately resulting in ZANU-PF gaining a two-thirds majority in parliament. Chamisa's decision to resign, citing infiltration by the ruling party, led to turmoil within the CCC. This sparked debates on whether elected officials should follow him or remain in their positions. The lack of organization and structure within the CCC was a contributing factor to its current state, and critics raised concerns about Chamisa's perceived personalization of the CCC and his frequent invocation of God in his political discourse. Despite denials from ZANU-PF, analysts suggest that the ruling party may have exploited the situation created by Chamisa's leadership style. So, to summarize, as Zimbabwe heads into fresh elections, the political landscape is marked by tension between the ruling party and the opposition, with the latter facing internal divisions and challenges. The elections hold the potential to bring change, but the journey to the polls is fraught with controversy and uncertainty. These elections represent a significant moment in Zimbabwe's history. They offer a chance for a new political direction, a potential break from years of economic stagnation and political turmoil. But they also present challenges and risks. The outcome will undoubtedly have far-reaching implications for the future of Zimbabwe. Whatever the result, the process leading up to these elections has highlighted the resilience and determination of the Zimbabwean people in their quest for change and progress.